see our squad and the supporters of PSM Makassar must be humble. Last season we champion. In this moment we fight for not degradasi. This is the reality. Selamat sore. First say congratulations to PSIS Semarang. Fantastic environment. As you know, they are waiting 8 days to play with us. On 8 days before, when they play last match, we are still on Vietnam. Vietnam, we many trips on Vietnam. After we go to Kuala Lumpur to Jakarta, Balikpapan, Samarinda, Balikpapan, Jakarta, Makassar. So I am tired. Imagine the players. So terima kasih for the extra energy that the players show on the field was very important. It's not easy to play with these hot. It's true that the hot is for the two teams. So if you're gonna count the opportunities of the two teams, I count empat for big opportunities. Empat opportunities to PSIS Semarang, and they scored 2 goals, and 3 for us. We have goal attempts more or less the same, in my opinion. We have 9 corners, they have 3, or empat, I think 3. And this showed that the game was not big difference. And I was surprised. Why I was surprised? Because a team with good players, play at home, with Bagus environment, winning 2-0 half time, can score more goals. And this was the message that I passed for our players to try to do our best. Let's go to see the weapons that the two teams have. First, PSM Makassar today play with 2 Jew players under 23. 2 Jew, 7 players. Some players make more than 5 minutes today. And this is a message for PSM Makassar board. Today, we have many players injured, many players that cannot be here with us, important players, and we are compete. We make a result 2-1 in the field that PSM Makassar never won on the history. The best result that PSM Makassar catch here was in 2018, 1-1 draw. So today, with 2 Jew players, 7 players under 23, the referee, if other referee, I not say that they win because the referee, just give empat minutes extra time. And I make a question. The PSIS Semarang want to play. Have fresh and experienced players because I have more time to recover. We want to play. So with many stops on the match, many substitutions on second half, why empat minutes? Referee have afraid that we score 1 goal, or referee have afraid that opponent team score the 3rd goal? Man, let's go to enjoy to play football. Why empat minutes? Many times the medical staff of the two teams go inside of the field. Respect us. So I just ask this. I don't say that we lose because referee. I just say that sometimes, 2 times our medical team go inside and opponent team is losing or draw, and they put 8, 9, 10 minutes. Let's go to respect the football. Let's go to respect the players that make the best. And because empat minutes, it's, sorry to say this, but I try to understand the rules. If you know the book that this was it follow, please tell me, I go to buy. Because we not lose because the referee, but respect the rules. Many time the medical staff go inside. You must give more minutes. You must give more minutes for the two teams make the substitutions on second half. According with our stats, and I don't have 100% sure, but opponent team make most the double of the fouls comparing with us. The rules on Europe, it's when you make consecutive fouls, same player, second, tiga, empat, you must show cartu kuning. And this can, if was it respect the rules that we learn on Europe, he must show the cartu kuning to players Semarang that repeat consecutive stop our game on offensive transition. And if you allow this, after our players from Indonesia, when go to play AFC competition or gonna play national team, they think was it outside are the same here. And after what happened, that they make 1 or 2 fouls and they are expecting not to receive cartu kuning or cartu mera. And this put me very sad because today, if you're gonna compare, I got a player, okay, in my opinion, the cartu kuning of Adil, it was good. It was good, it's cartu kuning. He must show cartu kuning. The problem is players from Semarang, consecutive foul, no cartu kuning. And stop danger play. Yeah. For was it finish? Important to message to the board of PCM Makassar. So today we put 2 Jew players under 23. If we don't have conditions to bring players that can help us, we need to give conditions to our academy PCM Makassar. Very important. And if we not make these conditions, after we don't have players to can develop the potential. So this is the message, because see how many players come from Academy Makassar, PCM Makassar, see our squad, and the supporters of PCM Makassar must be humble. Last season we champion, in this moment we fight for not degradasi. This is the reality. Okay? Terima kasih.
Pertama-tama saya sangat senang bisa dimainkan pada laga away ini. Dan saya ingin meminta maaf juga kepada para supporter PSM dan pecinta PSM karena kami belum bisa mendapatkan hasil yang baik dalam pertandingan pada sore hari ini. Dan kami semuanya, para pemain, udah memberikan yang terbaik dan udah bekerja keras di lapangan, namun belum rezeki kita. Dan saya sangat bahagia kepada pemain karena udah berusaha sebaik mungkin, dan terima kasih buat para pemain PSS Semarang dan congratulations buat PSS Semarang. Terima kasih.